everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down two popular investment strategies, SIP Systematic Investment Plan and Step Up SIP. These two methods are designed to help you grow your wealth over time. But how do they differ and which one should you choose for your financial goals? Let's dive in. Let's start with basics. What is SIP? SIP or Systematic Investment Plan is a method of investing a fixed amount of money into a mutual fund at regular intervals, typically every month. Think of it as investing a little bit every month to build your wealth over time. Let's say you invest 10,000 per month in first year. In regular SIP, you invest same amount every year. So in second year also, you invest 10,000 per month and so on till end of your tenure. Now, let's take it a step further. There is a type of SIP called Step Up SIP. This is like a regular SIP, but it allows you to increase your monthly investment periodically, typically every year. Why would you want to do this? Well, as your income grows, you are likely to have more to invest. A step-up SIP lets you gradually increase your investment to build wealth even faster. Let's say you invest 10,000 per month in first year. In step-up SIP, you increase 10% every year. So in second year, you invest 11,000 per month and so on till end of your tenure. So let's quickly compare SIP and step-up SIP to help you decide which one might suit you best. On left side, you can see regular SIP returns, and on the right side, we have step-up SIP returns. We considered 20 years as tenure and 10,000 per month with 10% increase every year. The regular SIP created wealth of approximately 1 crore, whereas step-up SIP created wealth approximately 2 crores. The more you invest, the more wealth you create. Increase your investment steadily. With a regular SIP, you invest a fixed amount throughout the entire period. It's straightforward and great for those with a fixed budget. With a step-up SIP, you start with a base amount but increase it periodically. It's ideal if you expect your income to grow over time and want to reach your goals faster. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.